from Tijuana, Mexico. Here I am with
Tawnja.
Okay, now where'd you come from?
Joshua Tree in Yucca Valley.
Okay, if you don't know, if you're from some other part of the world, this is beautiful, pristine, desert, gorgeous. Okay, the nights in Joshua Tree, they're the most epic. It is epic. Yeah, I got to tell you. Okay, now what'd you come down way across the border for?
Dental work today and tomorrow, but also you're here, and I go to your clinic in Huntington Beach. So
okay. We just can I tell them about the blood analysis?
Yes.
Okay. We did a blood analysis. What, like 3-4 months ago?
Yeah, April.
Okay. The cool thing with the live blood cell analysis, it tells you exactly what you're doing right now, what the blood cells, if they're clumping together, if they're not good, if they're not healthy, if they are healthy. What do we see
Today?
Yeah.
We saw free-flowing blood cells.
Okay, they were bitching.
Yeah.
And what I like about it, if you've done any kind of change, like diet, nutrition, sleep, because you've got physical, chemical, or emotional stress, those will all change blood viscosity, change the thickness. And it's just neat, because you asked me, what kind of IVs should I get?
That's right.
And I, like a really intelligent man, said, I don't know. Let's find out.
You're the common sense doctor.
I'm the common sense doctor, because when they say ask your doctor if this is right for you, he doesn't know.
That's right.
Find the interaction between a Tylenol and a muscle relaxant. Yeah, right. Okay, even though the Tylenol will destroy the liver and the muscle relaxant is a central nervous system toxin, nobody knows those reactions. So now, so you've been a patient for a while.
Yes.
Okay, coming Huntington, coming down here.
Yep.
Okay, here the restaurants are better.
Yes.
Now, what? Because you're taking charge of your health, so you're a different person. There's people out there that are not taking charge of that. They own the diagnosis. What would you tell them? You've been in the medical system. You know this system.
I've always been alternative in medicine, though. Acupuncture, massage, chiropractor. I've been seeing chiropractors for years, and I think you need to be your own doctor, basically.
You need to be your own doctor?
That's right.
You mean you don't want to advocate your authority over your health to somebody that's trained in the pharmaceutical industry?
That's absolutely correct, yes.
You don't think that people are suffering from a lack of pharmaceuticals?
People are suffering from way too many pharmaceuticals. Yeah.
Okay. Currently, we can say this.
They own the media, okay?
And look at this. We can still say this now, but in a few months, it won't be appropriate. Yeah, because we do have the Ministry of Truth, which is really the Ministry of Lies. Okay, so, I mean, it's odd to think that your body's self-healing and self-regulating. Your body is designed to live on the planet. If you say that in certain contexts, it'll be censored.
Right.
But you're thinking that strengthening the body, helping the body's natural processes, helps the body function instead of taking...
we are designed to live here, right? So we need to put it in the context that it can be able to do that. So you're the chemical, the emotional, and the physical stressors. Yeah, stressors. So yeah, you have to address those and allow your body to be able to heal itself.
Okay, you know what people are going to say? When they're confronted with a challenge, what would Tawnja do? What would Tawnja do? Because it just makes common sense. I mean, this is stuff all your parents would say. One of my mentors, find the problem, Bergman, and fix it.
That's right. I mean, I use castor oil every day, and it's an old folk remedy, right? That they, try to, push
but it
away.
Works.
And it works, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
I had a wonky knee, and I put castor oil on it and wrapped it up, and the knee was better the next day.
Oh, I got something I'm going to bring down next time for you.
Okay.
And I get a lot of products from a lot of different people, and I'm experimenting around with some stuff. And this one I think is going to be cool. I'm not going to tell anybody what it is because I experiment on people
First.
No, I give you samples and then see, because it's fun because there's so many cool things out there. As long as and this is with any kind of product that you're going to use. If it helps tissue production, great. If it helps tissue repair, great. If it interrupts or stops a symptom, that is not good, okay, unless it's designed for repairing tissue. Okay, now, You didn't have any trouble crossing the border.
No, it was easy peasy.
You're not afraid down here.
Absolutely not.
I know. I bring my wife down, okay, and I like her. Okay, so what could you tell people? And I'm talking the person that's watching CNN that is scared to death. They got a mask on while they're driving. They're taking every drug you could possibly take, and they're scared to be with people. Okay, they're in a dark place. How can you tell them to go to the light where you're designed to live in this world? You're looking for all these remedies to regenerate your tissue. What could you tell a person that's in that dark place?
Open your eyes and look around and wake up. I mean, I've questioned everything, a lot of my life. So you need to question things.
Yeah.
Especially the ministry of truth.
Your body is designed to live here, okay, just statistically wise. We took the smallest drop of blood out of a little tiny finger prick, okay, and it's an ecosystem.
Yeah.
Your body, this body here, is composed of 70 trillion cells, all interacting with each other. She has 10 times that bacteria levels. So you're looking at quadrillions of bacteria. She has 10 times the bacteria of viruses designed to live in this ecosystem. Okay, so you shouldn't be afraid of the planet. You strengthen the body processes, how the body regenerates tissue. Look at your physical, what was it?
Chemical,
and emotional stress. I know. I say that all the time.
You think I'd have that memorized?
You think I would? I've done a few thousand videos on it. Okay,
at least.
So deal with the stressors effectively, and your body is designed to live here, and you're going to thrive on the planet. Because human beings are found from the Arctic to the Sahara, so they're designed to live in any climate.
It's true. And you need to do maintenance because we live in a toxic soup. So having the IVs, getting the chiropractic adjustments, and getting that metal taken out of your mouth is crucial.
Oh, that's a big deal.
Yeah, that's a huge deal.
Yeah, and if you want to know, there's a couple of good methods on looking at it. We do a thermography. So if you see a hot spot and a hot spot where the lymph drains, that's a good indication that there's something funky going on. Also, if you see the blood cells reacting negatively or to stress, where there's like a lot of platelets or an agglutination of the cells, then we know there's also some type of stress. You're designed to live here.
We're designed to live here.
We're designed to live here. Take care of yourself.
With human contact.
Oh my gosh. This is called normal. You're amazing. God bless you.
Yeah.
Take care of each other.